To make a half double crochet, make a slip knot, insert the hook in, yarn over, pull through first chain, yarn over, pull through second chain, and just continue doing like that until you have at least 11 chains, or any number of chains you want to work on. So once you are satisfied with your number of chain, now into this second chain from the hook, yarn over, insert the hook into that second chain from the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook. Now yarn over and pull through all 3 loops and mark that first stitch with a stitch marker. You just continue doing like that into the next chain, yarn over and just insert the hook in there, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and just continue doing like that all the way until end of the chain. And that's how we make half double crochet.